Inside Jimmie Johnson's unique car collection. Jimmie Johnson is a celebrated American auto racing driver and distinguished 7-time NASCAR world champion, achieving an unprecedented feat of 5 consecutive Cup championships, unparalleled by any other drivers in history. Richard Petty and Dale Earnhardt included. Jimmie has been heralded as one of the greatest motorsports champions ever. His success on the track was backed up with over 80 race wins, more than 340 top 10s finishes, and 35 pole positions for good measure. Off it, he's amassed estimated net worth close to $150 million. Married since 2004 to Chandra Janway, his obsessions extends far beyond driving speed machines. Check out Jimmie's comprehensive car collection that ranges from classic rides to cutting-edge supercars. 1967 Chevy Camaro. Chevrolet Camaro is a powerful and iconic addition to America's muscle car legacy. Boasting an imposing 5.4L V8 engine delivering 210 horsepower, this automotive marvel accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in lightning-quick 7.8 seconds via its smooth 5-speed manual transmission system. No wonder the Chevrolet Camaro has long been one of the world's best-selling sports cars. Prices start at $40K for this thrilling ride, truly money well spent for enthusiasts seeking exhilaration on 4 wheels. In 1967, the iconic Camaro marked its arrival with a semi-unibody design shared by the 1968 Chevy 2 Nova. Many factory and dealer options were available to personalize this remarkable vehicle. These included 3 trim packages, RS, SS and Z28, non-functional air inlets on hoods of select configurations, along with special striping and identification badges that distinguished it from other models. It was even possible to combine both RS and SS options for an exclusive customization experience, aptly referred as RSSS. Underneath all those features lay impressive powertrain potential, starting from 295 bhp 350 cubic engine up until 375 bhp 396 cubic big block V8 engines. At the 1967 Indianapolis 500, a muscular 396 engine-powered Camaro RSSS convertible led the race as its official pace car. A sleek and powerful sight to behold. 1951 VI Mercedes-Benz 170 VI. The 1951 Mercedes 170 VA51 is a timeless classic that continues to captivate automotive enthusiasts around the world. Featuring an impressive 4-cylinder inline engine with 1,767 cc displacement, this powerhouse of 44 horsepower showcases why it was dubbed the king upon its release. In addition, the car guarantees luxurious driving experience thanks to its full leather body interior and manual transmission system. Now considered one of the most collectible cars on earth today, owning such a masterpiece commands premium prices up currently at $60,000. The Mercedes-Benz 170S, introduced in May 1949, featured a longer and wider design, as well as more luxurious finishes than its predecessor, the 170 volts. The 1,767cc M136 4-cylinder engine of the new model provided an output of 52 HP, 38 kilowatts, offering increased power for better performance, reaching up to 122 kilometers per hour, 76 miles per hour. Additionally, front wheels were attached using coil springs and double wishbones, with stabilizer bar, providing enhanced handling, compared to leaf spring arrangement that was seen on earlier models. After World War II, Mercedes-Benz reissued the classic 170 volts model with a 4-door sedan saloon body. However, they also added 2 additional driving options, one 2-seat Cabriolet A and another 4-seat Cabriolet B, in an attempt to reach more audiences. While it was advertised as perfect for company directors at the time of its release, today this car is dubbed the first S-Class Mercedes-Benz due to its newfound recognition after W116's launch over 20 years later. The 170 volts S new M136 engine may have reduced the power advantage of its predecessor, the 170S, but it was still a force to be reckoned with. Sporting an improved carburetor and compression ratio compared to that in the 170S, shrinking their 14 PS difference down into 7, this vehicle remained as potent as ever. Plymouth Wagon. The Plymouth Wagon, or Woody as it's affectionately known, is a classic from Plymouth with roots dating back to 1947. Sporting an impressive 5.7L V8 engine producing 100 horsepower and 4-speed automatic transmission, this iconic car remains one of the most recognizable motor vehicles in history due to its signature full wooden body exterior, accompanied by luxurious leather interior seating. In 2022, however, you can expect prices that are almost too hardwood handle around $75,000. In 1949, Plymouth revolutionized the station wagon market in the US with their revolutionary Suburban. Featuring a two-door body and seating for 6, this all-steel model was economical to build and buy compared to its four-door Woody predecessor. Another first for an affordable car option, it introduced automatic ignition starter combination when you turn the key, allowing convenience never seen before at such a price point. With back row seats folding flat for 42 inches of floor space, it quickly became popular as both personal transportation and commercial use alike. The 1950 Suburban provided the choice between a more classic four-door special deluxe wagon and two Plymouth wheelbases for drivers wanting something truly unique. This utilitarian ride featured vinyl upholstery for durability, with themes of convenience echoed in the Chrysler 217.8 Citadel head engine that offered robust 97 bhp at 3,800 rpm performance levels as standard fare, along with 6.40x 15-inch Goodyear tires, unless swapped out to one of their optional higher gearing alternatives or 18 high-clearance wheels. Owners of vehicles needing to transport heavy loads were presented with a taxi package designed for convenience and enhanced reliability. With upgraded chassis springs and shock absorbers, a 100 amp-hour battery protected by an efficient heat shield, plus reinforced seating components, this package is the perfect choice for superior performance in challenging conditions. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe,